Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. We are on Spanish Town Road outside of KIG, Kingston Industrial Garage, home to Jeep, Ford, Subaru, Yamaha. So we're doing a drive along Spanish Town Road. I don't think I've ever recorded this road before, this drive. So that's what we're doing today. Spanish Town Road. Alright, so it's a bit overcast, so the video will be a little bit darker. If you're new to the channel, first of all, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. You know, join the Roshain Reviews family so you can see more content like this. Turn on your post notification bell as well so that you don't miss any upload and you'll be notified once I do a new video. Remember to like the video as well, guys. That helps YouTube to recommend it to new persons. And definitely leave a comment on the video as well. So Spanish Town Road, that's what we're driving today. I think we'll end up on Mandela Highway, basically, Nelson Mandela, or the Nelson Mandela Highway, popularly known as Ferry. So that's where we're going to end the video. So stay tuned, drive along. Alright, so we have Ray and Nevy on the left. That's what we just passed. And again, guys, if you have a new development or a property that you want me to feature on the channel, a development of some sort, you can always buzz me in the comments or send me an email, rushamorereviews@gmail.com, and we can partner together. And if you want to donate to the channel, because we're working on a big equipment, a drone, so if you want to donate, which is optional, we have PayPal and other option as well. Spanish Town Road to the Nelson Mandela Highway. A lot of persons have suggested that this roadway, because it's very bumpy and it has been patched probably a million times, you know, they're suggesting that it needs to be completely resurfaced and redone, similar to what they did with the Nelson Mandela Highway. But let me know your thoughts on that, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this is the next major road they should focus on in terms of resurfacing, probably even another lane, or if there's some other roads that probably is of greater priority right now. So let me know. Alright, so we're getting closer to the 3 miles area. Sorry, not 3 miles area, but the ferry area, the ferry highway, getting closer to that area. So we're coming from the direction of 3 miles. Alright, so we're approaching where it's popular known as 6 miles. So we're coming from 3 miles, approaching 6 miles. Some persons know it by those names. And I think this roadway needs to be properly marked as well. If you're a tourist and driving yourself around and not used to the roads, you know, it can be a little bit tedious. Because for these busy thoroughfare, not marked, will pose some challenge. I think roads like these, based on how busy they are in Central, shouldn't be a case where they're unmarked and this bumpy. But hey, one step at a time. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think about that, because I know a lot of roads in Jamaica is unmarked. We see this section now, which is approaching Ferry, which is approaching the Nelson Mandela Highway. This section is marked because, you know, this is where the new road starts, but that shouldn't be the case. All of it needs to be marked. That's my thought. Alright, so we're ending Spanish Town Road. Now approaching Ferry, popularly known as the Nelson Mandela Highway. And then out this section is where the new Fiscal gas station will be. There will be a tasty restaurant as well. So this will be the new Fiscal gas station and their corporate headquarters. Alright guys, thanks for watching thus far. This was a drive from Spanish Town Road to the Nelson Mandela Highway, known as Ferry. So we started out by 3 miles, went about 6 miles, now we're on the ferry. In terms of the quality of the roadway, it's quite evident if you're comparing the Spanish Town Road to Mandela Highway. Completely different surface and different quality. So definitely let me know what you think in the comment section. If you think that it should be totally repaved and redeveloped. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Alright, so thanks for watching as usual, and see you on another video. Remember to like, comment, and share. And thanks for being a part of the Raymore Reviews family.